happening? Back at it again. And my logistics. Get some work done on my RGN. Got my guy Hunter over here. I'm going from the 1 position to the 2 position. Dog bones in the front. This is the one that was on it, the 1 position, and that's the 2 position. There's 2 different heights that you can ride at. It did not have the right pieces on the end. Somebody had fabricated some stuff to hold it on there, and I identified that as something I needed to go ahead and square away. It didn't stop me from running, but there was a little bit more play than what I should have had there, and because of safety, I wanted to get that off there. So I opted to upgrade to the 2 position. And I messed around because I was in a tight spot and in a hurry one time. I unloaded a freaking excavator from the side and got that crack right there. First and last time, lesson learned. Lesson learned. Yep. So right now I'm waiting on Fontaine to send me the rest of my parts. Running with the incorrect pin in there right now. So I ordered new upper and lower pins, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shim my flip axle to where it's doing what it's supposed to do and riding at the correct position, so that it's not throwing excess weight or toward the front axle, well, toward the drives. So there's that linseed oil on that deck looking like that. Hunter is also going to build me some ramps to go up to where I can go up to the 2nd level if I need to extend something. If I need the top deck to, you know, maybe it's a stretch truck or something that doesn't fit in the well. And believe it or not, I got this trailer in July. I don't know, I may be selling it in July. So I'm looking at getting a stretch hydraulic. I only want like a 40 ton. So that's what I'm in the process of looking for right now. Or I may wind up keeping it. Well, I'm gonna let Hunter knock this out. I'll show you guys the finished product. And, just like always, and my logistics. I'm out.